Is this all brand new trails over here? It looks like we got new lifts going in here. This is my first day here.
Oh, this is we have 3 new lifts.
Oh, okay.
When did they put them in?
This past summer.
This is all new, these runs?
No, just the lift.
Just the lifts. So did they replace the old lifts that were here or just? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we have one over.
I won't film. I won't use this film in anything I do.
Oh, no,
so,
that's
yeah.
all right.
Yeah.
We have one over in the beginner area. That's called Pocono lift.
Okay.
And then we have one in the middle. It's a quad. They're all quads.
Okay.
Quad in the middle.
No high speeds though, right?
No, you know, if you're doing a high speed on a mountain of this size.
So we're talking about coming back Friday. Is Friday normally like the new Saturday here, or not?
No, March. Once you head towards the middle of March.
Okay.
The crowds are a little less. You might have a few more people here than today.
Yeah. Oh, good.
You know, man.
All right. Well, good talking to you, sir.
Right.
Thanks for the info. Don't make it look too easy now, guys. You have to make it look a little hard.